A film starts at 1750, the film ends at 1930. How long does the film last? Now I'm going to show you a classic mistake students do here with the 24-hour clock. They would say 1930 subtract 1750. They would subtract them from each other like this. And what they do is they get their calculator out and they go 1930 subtract 1750 and the answer is 180. So they would say 180 and they would say that the film lasts 180 or minutes or hours or something like that. Now that's totally wrong because in the 24-hour clock these are your hours and these are your minutes as follows. So I'd rather think of it as follows. I think it's easier to think of it in the following way. So imagine you're at 1750 and you want to get up to 1930. Okay, how far do you have to go? Now, 10 minutes gets you to 1800, right? And then you know that to get from 1800 to 1930, that's clearly going to be 1 hour and 30 minutes. So you've got 1 hour, you've got 30 minutes, and you've got 10 minutes. So the answer is 1 hour and 40 minutes. So we have 1 hour and 40 minutes. Okay, so just be very careful when you're doing these questions that you don't just slip into some little mistakes like that. Just think, I would always think you're at 1750, how do you get to 18? It's 10 minutes. And how do you get from 18 to 1930? Well, it's 1 hour and 30, so it must be 1 hour and 40 minutes in total. Okay, next question. Jackie buys some tickets to see the film. Each ticket costs £3.50. Jackie pays with two £20 notes. Jackie gets £8.50 change. How many tickets did Jackie buy? So, let's think about this. So, how much does Jackie pay with? She pays with two £20 notes. So she pays 2 multiplied by £20, which is equal to £40. Okay? And her change is £8.50. So her change is £8.50. So she gets £8.50 back from the person. So we could work out how much she actually spent by doing how much she gave, subtract her change. So we could say 40 subtract £8.50 is going to be equal to £31.50. So we can say that we certainly know that her tickets cost therefore £31.50. Now, if each one costs £4.50, we can just do number of tickets is therefore how much she paid is going to be £31.50 divided by £4.50. Okay, so get the calculator out, £31.50 divided by £4.50 and we get ourselves 7 tickets. So equals 7 tickets. So the answer is 7 tickets as follows. Now just before you move on in the exam, check your answer, so clear it. And what you're going to do is you're going to say, well, my answer is 7 tickets, each was £4.50. So do £4.50 multiplied by 7 is equal to that. And then what you're going to do is that answer is £31.50. You're going to take £40 and subtract £31.50 and that gives you the £8.50 change which is given in the question. So you know you've done the question correctly.